Reset device. Power cycle. There are multiple ways to reset your device if you are experiencing issues. The first is to perform a power cycle. To turn the device off, press and hold the power and call key. Navigate to and highlight OK, then press the select key. To turn the device back on, press and hold the power and call key. The device will take a moment to power on. Factory reset. A factory reset will erase all information on the device and return it to factory default settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings, and content that is saved to the device. It is recommended that you back up important data before proceeding. The device must also be charged to at least 30% to perform a factory data reset. From the home screen, press the App Tray key. Press the down navigation key to highlight the Settings app, then press the Select key. Navigate to and highlight System. Then press the Select key. Navigate to and highlight Reset Options. Then press the Select key. Press the down navigation key to navigate to and highlight Erase All Data. Then press the Select key. Navigate to and highlight Reset Phone. Then press the Select key. With Erase Everything highlighted, press the Select key. The device will take a moment to reset.